So for my curriculum needs assessment, I chose general education for K through 5th. A needs assessment helps identify the gap between what's currently happening and what we want students to experience. I believe that technology should support learning instead of being the main focus. The educational context is a typical elementary school where students regularly use tablets or Chromebooks. We use Chromebooks. While technology is helpful, students often spend more time on digital activities instead of hands-on learning. For my needs assessment, I used 3 data sources. The first, I reviewed curriculum maps, which showed that technology is used frequently in lessons. Second, my own classroom observations show that students are generally more engaged when they're creating, building, and working together with each other on projects. Third, I looked at state standards, which emphasize that collaboration and problem solving is a key to learning. So from these 3 sources, I found one main need, and it is that students need more hands-on project-based learning activities in the classroom. With technology being used as a tool to support this. To address this need, ideally I would create a 4 to 6 week interdisciplinary unit. I called it From Idea to Marketplace, but the general idea would be to help students apply what they learn in the real world with a project using technology in a meaningful way. Essentially, so the students would research and plan a product of their own choice. Creativity, giving them freedom to choose, is also a key to this as well. They would create the product through hands-on learning. They could do this on their own or in teams. Technology would come into play throughout the project, like creating spreadsheets to calculate the costs and the sales and the profits, and then be able to reflect and present what they've learned in the project. So, for example, students could make a product to sell at a school marketplace. They would use technology to research the ideas, calculate profits, advertise, and general problem solving. Students would be assessed through teacher observations, rubrics, completed products, and then a final presentation. So overall, this curriculum intervention addresses the need for more meaningful hands-on learning while also using technology to enhance learning experiences instead of just replacing it. Thank you.